Ever feel stuck waiting for motivation to strike? Here's the tiny rule that quietly rewired my life. The 2-minute rule. If a goal feels heavy, shrink it until it takes 2 minutes or less. Then do it. Today. Sounds too simple, right? Good. Because simple is what you'll actually do. Your brain loves finishing things. Every tiny win releases a little hit of keep going. So instead of an hour at the gym, I say, put on my shoes and step outside. Most days, that's enough to carry me through the workout. On the days it isn't, I still won. Streak unbroken. Identity reinforced. Let's go deeper. Fitness, do 1 push-up. If it becomes 10, great. If not, you still did one. Learning, open the book and read 1 page. 2 minutes, done. Money, move $1 to savings. It's not the amount, it's the automatic behavior. Clutter, throw out 1 item, just 1. Career, write 1 sentence of that email or proposal. Hit send tomorrow if you must. The trick isn't results first, it's identity first. I am the kind of person who shows up. Results lag behind identity like a shadow. How to make this stick? 1. Name the tiniest version. 2 minutes of X. 1. Attach it to an anchor you already do. After coffee. After brushing. After lunch. 1. Make it obvious. Shoes by the door. Book on the pillow. A sticky note on your screen. 1. Track a streak. 1 check per day. 1. When you miss, never miss twice. Reset to 2 minutes and move on. No guilt reps. Why this works? Friction. Lower friction enough to start. Momentum does the rest. A moving person is easier to keep moving than a parked one is to budge. In week 1, protect the habit at all costs. 2 minutes is success. In week 2, if it feels easy, expand to 5. In week 3, pick 1 day to go big. In week 4, lock the identity. I'm a person who reads daily. I'm a person who saves daily. I'm a person who trains daily. Here's the payoff. Everything compounds. Not just your skills, your confidence. You start trusting your own promises. That's rare. That's powerful. So, today choose 1 habit. Write the 2-minute version. Anchor it. Start. Then tell future you. I'll meet you again tomorrow. If this helped, bookmark it and comment the habit you'll start in 2 minutes. Your first rep begins now.